Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Eyes Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive Katha stitch collections only for you. So let me display. This one also very beautiful bright color maroon red shade with beautiful hand Katha stitch design. Base is Malai silk and full base part is beautiful hand Katha stitch design. Very bright gorgeous looks. This one pallu portion beautiful hand Katha stitch design pallu, middle portion stripes pattern with beautiful stitching design. Fully hand picked Katha stitch design, very nice one, smart elegant looks, bright maroon shade with beautiful hand Katha stitch work. And this one full base part, bright beautiful one, diagonally work, full base part, beautiful hand Katha stitch work, very nice one. And this one is running blouse piece, beautiful hand Katha stitch work border, running blouse piece. And this one is full piece, very elegant looks, bright gorgeous. Also base is Malai silk. This one also beautiful one, magenta pink shade with beautiful hand Katha stitch work, very exclusive bright gorgeous looks, best for your festive wear. Also base is Malai silk, soft comfortable one, and full base part is beautiful hand Katha stitch work. This one full base part, beautiful fully hand pricked Katha stitch design. And this one is diagonally work, full base part, base is magenta pink shade with beautiful colorful hand Katha stitch design. This one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern. And this one pallu also very beautiful one, fully heavy floral pattern, fully hand picked Katha stitch design pallu, very smart elegant trendy looks, bright also. This one also beautiful one, beautiful color combinations. Also a green shade with hand Katha stitch design, very nice one, soft lightweight summer friendly. Also let me open this one pallu part. This one is pallu part, heavy floral pattern hand Katha stitch work. This one is border portion, fine stitching stripes design border, and full pallu part is beautiful heavy hand Katha stitch work. Base is Malai silk, and this one is beautiful pallu. And this one full base part, hand Katha stitch work, diagonally work, full base. This one is full base part, diagonally hand Katha stitch work, full base. And this one is running blouse piece, very beautiful one, stitching borders. This one is border portion, running blouse piece, very exclusive one, smart trendy elegant looks. This one also bright yellow shade, beautiful one, smart looks, bright gorgeous one. This one full base part, soft lightweight comfortable Malai silk base with beautiful hand picked Katha stitch design. This one border portion, fully hand picked stitching stripes design. And this one full base part, diagonally work, full base, bright yellow shade. This one is full base part, beautiful hand Katha stitch design, full base. This one is running blouse piece, fully hand picked Katha stitch design border, running blouse piece. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy fine hand Katha stitch design pallu, very elegant smart bright looks, best for your festive wear also. Very beautiful elegant color combination, soft one, soft Malai silk with beautiful hand picked Katha stitch design, very nice and smart looks. This one full base part, this one is pallu, stripes pattern, fully hand picked Katha stitch design pallu. Base is Malai silk with beautiful hand picked Katha stitch design. And this one full base part, half design pattern. This one is Buta pattern, upper portion Buta pattern hand Katha stitch design. And this one pleat section, beautiful heavy hand picked Katha stitch design, fully hand design, hand picked design. This one is pleats, and this one is upper base part. And this one running blouse piece, very exclusive one, running blouse piece is beautiful border, hand picked Katha stitch design border. And this one is pleat section, this one is upper base part, and this one is beautiful border design, very elegant looks. This one also very beautiful one, off-white base with hand katha stitch design. Very nice one, smart, elegant, trendy looks. Off-white base, and this one pallu portion, beautiful, very colorful threaded hand katha stitch design. Pallu very nice one, soft, lightweight, summer friendly also. Base is malai silk with beautiful hand katha stitch and fully hand picked stitch design. This one is fully hand picked stitch. This one is running blouse piece, border design, border hand katha stitch design, running blouse piece, and this one full base part, beautiful one, beautiful floral pattern, hand katha stitch design, and this one is border portion, fully hand stitch design border. This one is running blouse piece, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one also very beautiful, bright bottle green shade with hand katha stitch design. Very nice one, soft, lightweight malai silk base, and this one pallu part, beautiful one, fully hand picked katha stitch design pallu. This one beautiful hand picked katha stitch work. Very nice one, smart, elegant looks, bright also, fully hand picked stitch design. And this one full base part, beautiful one, stripes pattern, fully stitching stripes pattern, hand katha stitch work, and this one border portion, fully hand picked katha stitch design border, and this one running blouse piece, beautiful border design, fully hand picked katha stitch border, and this one is full base, bright green shade, very nice one, smart looks. This one also a beautiful one, royal blue shade with hand picked katha stitch design, very colorful, bright also. This one full base part, fine hand picked katha stitch design. This one also beautiful color combinations, fine hand picked katha stitch design, and this one is border portions, beautiful hand picked katha stitch design border, very nice one, smart looks. Base is malai silk with hand katha stitch work, half portion is heavy full base hand picked katha stitch design, and this one is pleat section, beautiful smart buta pattern katha stitch buta, and this one is upper base part, and this one is pleats, and this one pallu part, this one is running blouse piece, beautiful border design, hand picked katha stitch border, and this one pallu portions, beautiful heavy hand katha stitch work pallu, beautiful stripes pattern, fully stitching stripes, and this one is beautiful hand picked katha stitch work, very nice one, bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one also beautiful color combinations, maroon shade with heavy hand picked katha stitch design. This one full base this one is pallu part, beautiful heavy floral pattern, hand katha stitch work pallu, and this one border portions, beautiful hand picked katha stitch design border, and this one is full pallu part, beautiful work, very nice one, smart, elegant looks. Base is malai silk, soft, lightweight, comfortable with beautiful heavy hand picked katha stitch design, and full work is diagonally work, nice one. This one is full base part, fully hand picked katha stitch design. This one is border portion, beautiful border hand picked, and this one is full base, very nice one, smart, elegant, bright, gorgeous looks, based for your festive wear. Very beautiful one, bright color combinations with heavy hand picked katha stitch design. This one full base part, diagonally work, full base bird and floral motif, fully hand picked katha stitch design. This one is border portion, very colorful hand picked katha stitch border and stripes pattern border, and this one full base part, beautiful hand katha stitch design. This one full base part, diagonally work, full base, very nice one, beautiful work. And this one running blouse piece, stripes pattern, fully hand picked katha stitch design, stripes pattern, running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand picked katha stitch design pallu, very nice one, smart, elegant looks, bright color, smart, trendy one. This one also in a beautiful color combinations, magenta pink shade with beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch design, very bright looks. This one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand pricked kantha stitch design pallu, soft, lightweight, smart, trendy looks. This one is beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch work pallu, and this one, you know, full base part, very smart one. This one is upper base part, buta pattern hand kantha stitch work, and this one is border portions, beautiful border design hand pricked kantha stitch work border, and this one is pleat section, fully heavy hand kantha stitch work. Very exclusive, smart looks, bright also. And this one is, you know, running blouse piece, beautiful border design, fully hand pricked border design, running blouse piece, very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And this one also, you know, bright red shade, maroon red shade with heavy hand pricked kantha stitch work. This one, you know, full base part, bright looks. This one is full base part, bright maroon red shade, and this one is border portion, hand pricked kantha stitch stripes pattern border, and this one is full border portions, beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch design border, and this one is full base, bright looks, based for your festive wear, malai silk with beautiful hand picked kantha stitch design, and this one is running blouse piece, multicolor stripes, fully hand picked stripes design, and this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand kantha stitch work design pallu, very elegant, trendy, bright, gorgeous looks, beautiful one. This one is pallu. This one also, you know, beautiful bright color, bright yellow shade with heavy floral pattern hand kantha stitch work, very nice one, smart, bright, gorgeous looks. This one, you know, full base part, diagonally work, multicolor hand pricked stitching stripes design, and full base part is beautiful hand pricked floral pattern kantha stitch work, very exclusive one, diagonally work. And this one is, you know, running blouse piece, multicolor stripes pattern border, running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy floral pattern hand kantha stitch work pallu, very exclusive one, malai silk base with beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch design, soft, lightweight, comfortable. Also, you know, very beautiful color combinations, light purple shade with beautiful hand kantha stitch work, base is malai silk with heavy hand pricked kantha stitch work. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful smart buta pattern hand kantha stitch work, and this one is border portion, beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch work, and this one, you know, half portion pleat section, heavy hand kantha stitch design, very smart looks. This one is pleats, and this one is upper base part, and this one, you know, running blouse piece, beautiful border design, hand pricked kantha stitch border design, running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch design stripes with beautiful work, very smart, trendy, elegant looks, soft, lightweight, summer friendly also. This one also in a beautiful color combinations, orange shade with heavy hand pricked kantha stitch work, very smart looks. This one, you know, full base part, orange shade with bird and floral pattern, hand pricked kantha stitch design, diagonally work, full base part. This one is border design, fully hand pricked colorful border design, and this one is beautiful hand kantha stitch work, diagonally work, full base part, very elegant looks. And this one, you know, running blouse piece, beautiful border design, running blouse piece, and this one is full base. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand pricked kantha stitch design pallu, very smart, trendy looks, beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch work. This one also, you know, very beautiful color combinations also, malai silk base with hand pricked kantha stitch work, half. This one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful design, stripes pattern with beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch design pallu, fully hand pricked stitch design, and this one is upper base part buta pattern hand picked katha stitch work, and this one half portion. This one is half portion buta pattern and half portion is heavy hand picked katha stitch design full base part, and this one is border portion fully stitching design floral pattern design border, and this one is pleat sections, very beautiful one. This one is pleats and this one is upper base part, and this one running blouse piece, beautiful border design, hand picked border design, running blouse piece, very smart elegant looks. Also beautiful one, bright black set with hand katha stitch work, very bright beautiful looks. This one pallu part, beautiful heavy hand picked katha stitch design. This one full pallu part, very smart looks, malai silk with hand picked katha stitch design, and this one full base part. This one is full base part, diagonally work, full base, heavy hand picked katha stitch work. Very smart trendy looks, fine picked katha stitch design, hand picked diagonally work, base is malai silk, black base, and this one is beautiful katha stitch design. This one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very elegant, smart, exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful color combinations, bright sky blue shade with heavy hand picked katha stitch design, white threaded work. Base is malai silk, and this one pallu part, very beautiful one, heavy hand picked katha stitch design pallu. This one is beautiful pallu design, base is malai silk, soft, lightweight, comfortable, and this one full base part, very beautiful bright looks. This one is full base part, border portion heavy design, hand picked katha stitch design. This one full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern running blouse piece, and this one is full base but soft, lightweight, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one also beautiful color combinations, greenish shade with a very colorful heavy hand picked katha stitch design. Let me open. This one full pallu part, beautiful hand katha stitch design pallu. Very nice one, smart looks, and this one is full base part, heavy hand picked katha stitch work, full base. This one is full base part, beautiful smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. This one also blue shade with beautiful hand picked katha stitch work, very smart trendy looks, stripes pattern. This one full base part, beautiful hand picked katha stitch design. This one is border portions, beautiful hand picked katha stitch work border, and this one is pallu part, very nice one, stripes pattern, fully stitching stripes, hand picked stitching stripes design with beautiful design pallu, very smart looks. And this one full base part, stripes pattern, beautiful design, and this one is border portion, and this one is full base, very elegant, trendy, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, fully bordered design, hand picked katha stitch, and this one is full base. And this one also beautiful color combinations, greenish shade with heavy hand katha stitch design, fully hand picked stitch design. This one is half pattern. This one is full base part, beautiful buta pattern, hand katha stitch work, and this one is border portions, floral pattern, fully hand picked katha stitch work border, and this one half portion split section, fully heavy hand katha stitch design. This one is pleats, this one is split section, and this one is upper base part, and this one is running blouse piece, beautiful border design, fully hand picked katha stitch design. Nice one. And this one pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted stripes pattern, floral stripes, fully beautiful hand picked katha stitch design, and this one is beautiful heavy design, very smart elegant looks. Base is malai silk, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one also, beautiful bright color, sky blue shade, dark sky blue shade with heavy hand pricked kantha stitch design. This one, full base part, beautiful work, buta pattern, full base part, and this one is border. Sorry, this one is border portions, beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch border design, and this one is full base part, beautiful buta design, very nice one, smart, elegant looks, bright color combinations also. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch, fully kantha stitch design stripes, and this one is pallu part, beautiful work. Very nice one, elegant looks, gorgeous also. And this one, running blouse piece, beautiful border design running blouse piece, and this one is full pallu part, very elegant, smart, exclusive looks. This one also, very beautiful color combinations, very nice one, bright pink shade with beautiful heavy hand picked kantha stitch design, very nice color combination. This one, full base part, this one is pallu part, beautiful heavy hand picked kantha stitch design, pallu, highlighted stripes, fully hand picked stitch design. This one, full base part, diagonally work, full base, and beautiful hand kantha stitch design, very exclusive one, fully hand picked. And this one, full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, very beautiful one, hand kantha stitch design border running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, beautiful, smart, elegant looks. This one also, mustard yellow shade, floral pattern, heavy hand kantha stitch work, base is malai silk, and beautiful heavy hand kantha stitch work. This one, pallu part, beautiful heavy hand kantha stitch design pallu, very elegant, smart looks, bright also. And this one, full base part, very smart one, bright looks, mustard yellow shade, diagonally work, full base, and full base part is floral pattern and highlighted stripes, fully stitching stripes design, and this one is full base part, diagonally work, and this one, running blouse piece, stripes pattern, running blouse piece, very smart, elegant, exclusive, smart, bright looks. This one also, beautiful parrot green shade with nice hand kantha stitch work, very exclusive one, half design pattern. This one, this one is pallu part, beautiful hand picked kantha stitch design pallu, stripes with beautiful hand picked design, fully hand kantha stitch design. And this one, full base part, very smart looks, full base part is heavy hand kantha stitch design. This one is upper base part, fully heavy, full base stitching design, and this one, half portion buta pattern, pleat section, half portion is full base design and half portion is buta pattern, very exclusive looks. This one is running blouse piece, border design, very nice one, beautiful color combination, base is malai silk. This one also, beautiful bright color, maroon shade with floral pattern, hand kantha stitch design. This one, full base part, let me open, very beautiful color combinations. This one is pallu part, pallu is very beautiful one, floral pattern, hand kantha stitch work, and this one, border, pallu portions, highlighted stripes design, fully hand pricked stitch design, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks. This one is full base, diagonally work, full base part. This one is border portion, stripes pattern, multicolor stripes, fully stitching stripes, and this one, full base part, diagonally work, full base, and this one is running blouse piece, very exclusive, trendy, smart, gorgeous looks. So, very beautiful color combinations, very nice looks, hand kantha stitch design, full base part. This one, pallu portions, beautiful hand picked kantha stitch design pallu. This one is beautiful pallu design, and this one, full base part, heavy stripes pattern, diagonally stripes pattern, hand kantha stitch design, very smart looks. This one, full base part, very nice one, fully hand pricked stripes pattern hand kantha stitch work, and this one is running blouse piece, beautiful border, hand pricked stitch design border, and this one full piece, very elegant looks. And this one is border portion, base is malai silk with beautiful hand kantha stitch work. This one also very beautiful one, bright royal blue set with heavy hand kantha stitch work, very bright looks, best for your festive wear. This one full base part, gorgeous looks. This one is border portion, beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch design border, and this one is beautiful colorful hand pricked kantha stitch stripes pattern border design, and full base part is floral butta, fully hand pricked floral butta stitch design. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, beautiful hand pricked kantha stitch design border, and this one pallu also very beautiful one heavy hand kantha stitch design, very colorful also, and these are stripes highlighted the pallu, beautiful smart look. Base is malai silk, bright royal blue shade with beautiful hand kantha stitch design. This one also beautiful color combinations, very nice elegant look, smart one, soft lightweight. Base is malai silk. This one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand picked kantha stitch design pallu, beautiful stripes with hand picked kantha stitch design, and this one full base part stripes pattern, beautiful stripes pattern hand kantha stitch design, and this one is border portions, beautiful stitching design, and this one full base part, very nice one, smart elegant looks with beautiful hand pricked stripes pattern kantha stitch design. This one is full base part. This one off white base, very elegant looks, beautiful hand kantha stitch design, very bright beautiful elegant looks, off white base. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand pricked kantha stitch design pallu. This one is beautiful pallu design, and this one full base part, heavy hand pricked kantha stitch design, smart looks, bright one. This one full base part, diagonally work pattern, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, colorful stripes, beautiful stitching stripes, running blouse piece, very exclusive smart elegant looks, off white base malai silk. This one also beautiful color combinations, very elegant looks also, heavy hand pricked kantha stitch design, heavy work. This one full base part and diagonally work, very beautiful heavy hand pricked kantha stitch design. This one is border portion, multicolor stripes pattern border, and fully stitching stripes pattern border, fully hand pricked stitch, and this one is full base part, diagonally work, full base, very nice one, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, multicolor stripes pattern border, pattern running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted multicolor stripes with beautiful floral pattern, heavy hand kantha stitch design, very exclusive elegant smart looks, bright also. This one also baby pink base with beautiful floral pattern hand kantha stitch work, malai silk, very nice one, smart elegant looks. Let me open. This one full base part, diagonally work, full base, beautiful floral pattern hand kantha stitch work, very smart trendy looks. This one full base part, beautiful one. This one is fully floral pattern hand kantha stitch work. This one is stripes border, multicolor stripes, and this one is running blouse piece, fully beautiful stitching border design, running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand pricked kantha stitch design pallu, very exclusive smart looks, baby pink base, very colorful hand pricked kantha stitch design. Base is malai silk, soft lightweight. And today I have draped a beautiful bright color saree with heavy hand kantha stitch design, floral pattern, and full base part is diagonally work, full base, and full base part is heavy work. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand pricked kantha stitch design pallu, very bright color also, soft lightweight, same material malai silk with hand kantha stitch design. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.